What you doing, man?
Your mom?
I'm about to get on you, boy.
Got in the charger, man.
Yo!
Wait, hit it real quick. See how. Damn, period blood.
This nigga hitting the
Nigga, it tastes good. I'm not gonna lie.
period
You
blood.
said it tastes good. Nigga, what?
Look, it got to my lips.
Oh.
Man, we out here, bro. We about to go fish. You know what I'm saying? Out you, man.
We're new out in red mode to match this.
My face is gonna hurt. Nigga, my face is gonna hurt.
Let me see your face, Lil.
No, bro.
We out here, man. About to go fish.
You gonna take me home, bro?
About to go fish, bro.
Yo.
About to go fish. I'm taking you home, bro.
Yo, bro, why the fuck is this shit so slow?
It's almost done. About to get on you, boy. That hairy ass leg,
You're
boy.
here, bro.
That hairy ass shit.
Bro, it be tickling
Carl, bro, you're fat. Wow. How many sandwiches you ate already, nigga? This nigga ate 4 fucking sandwiches, bro. And you're about to order one more, dog?
you. He said he is.
Oh, mamas, bro.
I'm better eat my cookies too, boy.
Yo, Rap, take me home, bro. Take me
Nigga
home.
say, take me home.
Take me home, bro.
Nigga, I'm holding you hostage, bro.
It's time for Yamato, bro. Another fishing adventure.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Like at the fucking
Wait, what are you saying?
at the order.
Chunky. What are you saying?
Chunky. You just asked everyone for money.
Stop.
Yo, I'm gonna fucking, I don't know, I'm gonna do stuff today.
yo. This nigga's already eating 4 or 5 sandwiches.
Oh, there's another one.
No mamas, bro.
Wait, for real?
No.
Yo, Carl, bro. If you need socks, bro, just tell me, dog. Just tell me, dog. They sell clothes. I mean, they give clothes and shoes away right here, dog. Just tell me, bro. I can go in there, sneak some socks for you, bro.
What this shit? What this nigga think he's gonna catch with this shit right now?
Nigga, that looks like it's ready to cook.
For real.
For real, that shit.
Cooking out, bro.
Finally, bro. We out here, bro.
After 3-4 hours.
After 3 hours of doing nothing.
You gotta write something, bro.
Look at this, bro. Under a bridge, all this sombra, bro. Look at that. Su madre. Girl, you're fat.
That boy fishing for rock. Rock fishing.
All the way.
You like my rockfish?
My boy said he catching Patrick out here. The boy said he caught Patrick House.
Yeah, that boy got.
Look, Ram, you wanna see the next one? I got the next one.
All the way.
Stop. About to fucking smack you,
Oh
boy.
shit. God damn, nigga, you're strong arm man, boy.
Get this shit, look. It's squirting water.
You're lying.
Look. La leche, way.
Do it again.
Let me squeeze.
Yo, what the fuck did you catch, bro?
Bro, I don't know what the fuck this is, bro. Ciao, bitch. Kiss your subscribers.
Oh shit.
Está bien. Fuck, caliente.
Y eso que estamos en la sombra, güey.
A ver, güey. Damn, bro, this is 0?
That's Carlos.
Oh, Carlos on his diet.
Finally, bro. Whole hour out here fishing.
Got a good one finally.
Hell yeah, boy. Look at that.
Hola, puta. No!
Bye bye. Bruh. I go away for 10 seconds, this nigga casts, and he catches a fucking fish.
Yeah, bro.
That shit was good too, bro.
Catch and release.
Damn, boy.
Catch and release to the beach.
A la verga. Put squid on it?
Yeah.
Bye. I don't even know, Kyle. Yo, We all cut at the same time, bro. What the fuck? Let me see what you cut. Let me see.
I'm trying to get on the puff up, bro.
Yo, give me a piece.
Yo, that shit's fucking huge, bro.
White sea. Wait, hold him so I can.
Kick that shit, bro. Should I put my fingers in it?
Ugly, but it has
Look, let's see if he bites. Oh, does he bite?
No, you don't even bite.
Right there, hold him right
Oh!
That madre.
Wait, bro, I think that's a fucking frog, dude. Wait, hold him still.
Oh,
It looks like a fat ass tadpole.
bro, it's because the hook, it's like a circle hook, dog. That shit's all the way back here.
Use the towel to grab it.
I don't touch it.
Use the towel.
There you go.
I will.
That's not my shit.
I will.
I will.
This is a jack or a blue runner?
I don't even know.
Foul hooked him, bro.
Yeah, that shit's fucked. A la verga. Do it again, do it again.
Bro, you want me to smack him on
Swing that bitch.
You want me to smack him on the construction?
No, bro, just swing it. Yo. Fucking fish murderer, bro.
Ah, bro, he's still flipping, bro.